In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell USDT in Trust Wallet. This process is straightforward, and by the end of this guide, you'll have a clear understanding of how to sell your USDT efficiently. To begin, you'll need to open the Trust Wallet application on your device. Trust Wallet is an easy-to-use and secure wallet where you can manage a variety of cryptocurrencies. Once you've opened the app, you'll be greeted with the main interface of Trust Wallet. Here, you will notice several features available right on the main screen. These features include options like sending, swapping, funding, and indeed selling, which is what we will focus on today. You'll also see the list of tokens you currently hold. The next step in this process is to locate and select the Sell option. Go ahead and tap on Sell. As you do this, you'll be redirected to another site where you can continue with the selling process. It's important to ensure that you have a stable internet connection during this step to avoid any interruptions. On the redirected page, you'll notice a search bar. You will want to click on this search bar and type in USDT, which stands for Tether, one of the most common stablecoins. After entering USDT, go ahead and click on it to select it. Once you've selected USDT, the next thing you'll need to do is enter the amount you wish to sell. Double-check the amount you've entered to ensure it's accurate, as you'll be proceeding to sell this specific amount. After confirming the amount, click on the Sell button. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter your details. It's crucial to follow the prompts on your screen closely, as they will guide you through the entire transaction process. The prompts are designed to make the entire experience user-friendly and secure, ensuring that your transaction is processed safely. Once you've entered all necessary information and followed the on-screen instructions, your USDT will be sold and the funds will be deposited directly into your connected account. The great thing about Trust Wallet is that it offers a seamless and integrated process so that your crypto management is as efficient and straightforward as possible. That's it. You've successfully sold your USDT using Trust Wallet. This method is one of the easiest ways to manage your digital assets and convert them to cash or other cryptocurrencies. Remember, if you have any questions or need additional support, you can always refer to Trust Wallet's help section or community forums for more detailed assistance. Thank you for watching and happy trading.